Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Goretti Ogo, a nursing student. I'm in my penultimate year in the University of Nigeria Igbo campus. I'm super happy today because the information I'm going to give you is a very essential one. Very essential. So if you're a newbie in nursing, if you're a starter in nursing, you have to stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing with you the books I've used so far in nursing. It's from personal experience, it's what I've experienced so far. I'm not saying it based on what I heard from someone or based on what any blogger said. I'm saying based on experience. So it's very essential that you stay tuned to listen to what I have to say. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome back. I would like you to do one thing before I continue this video. I would like you to do one thing. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to know. Let's build this community together. I share videos on a little bit of everything as it pertains to nursing. Yeah, that's my niche. Okay, so we'll forge ahead, we'll go straight to the point. Books that I've used so far in nursing and how helpful they are. I'm not going to be sharing with you all the books because definitely I have more than the books I'm going to be sharing with you. But then I'll share with you the most important ones so that if you intend buying any book, you'll be guided on how to make your choices. Okay. Number one book. These are among the first courses you're going to do in nursing as a starter. Foundations of Nursing and First Aid, Rose and Wilson. This is among the first courses you're going to do. Foundations of Nursing. In our school, we call it, the course code is NSC 201. Yes, NSC 201. In schools of nursing, you start it in your first year. It's also a requirement for your PTS exam. So you have to get the book. The book is very essential because this is like foundation, as the name implies, foundations of nursing. What you really need to know as a nurse. They are the building blocks. If you don't know what is in this textbook, they'll not be able to know the next thing they're going to teach you in nursing. And it's very concise. Unlike there's a bigger book, way bigger book than this. But then this one, very concise, very essential. Get it. The next book I'll tell you about is this. Mm, very heavy book. It's very heavy, but it really contains a whole lot. Watson's Clinical Nurses and Related Sciences is for your medical surgical nursing. Yeah, for your medical surgical nursing that you'll be doing in your third years if you're in a university. If you're in schools of nursing, you'll be doing it in your second year. Medical surgical nursing. It's general, basically disease condition. That's what they educate you on. Yeah. I like this book because it explains concept very well, and it equally has case studies so you know what you're expecting. Like when you're reading case studies, you feel like you're actually experiencing it as if you're in a hospital setting already. So it doesn't just explain a disease condition, but it gives you a case study, very essential book. Mm, and heavy too. The next book is this, Small But Mighty. Synopsis. A synopsis of medical surgical nursing. This is the concise form of the one I just showed, the Watson's Clinical Nursing and Related Science. Like a summary, as you can see the name, synopsis, summary of medical surgical nursing. It goes straight to the point to tell you about the disease condition, the indication, the symptoms, the causes, the whatever. It goes straight to the point. That's why I like it. So if you're preparing for your exam, say you have your National Midwifery Council Nigeria exam, You definitely need this book because it just goes straight to the point to explain what you need to know, unlike the Watson's clinical nursing and related sciences. It goes straight to the point. So it's recommendable if your exam is close by and you need something that will just summarize whatever you want to read. You get okay. Okay, so the next book is this. If you're a nurse in Nigeria and you haven't encountered this book, then well, I don't know about you, but most nurses in Nigeria have used this book because it's a very, very important book. Ukuije, volume 1 to 3. So the three work hand in hand. You cannot do without the other. And I like this book because it exposes your mind to what you actually need to know or what you're expecting in your Nursing and Midwifery Council Nigeria exam. What you're expecting. It gives you the marking scheme and how to answer questions in your exams. So it's a very essential book. It exposes you to so many disease conditions and it's also very concise. Hmm? So you might need to get the book. The next book I'm going to share with you, if you're a nursing student here in Nigeria, in short, anywhere around the world, you will definitely encounter pharmacology because you need to know about drugs as a nurse. So this book here, Trans Clinical Pharmacology for Nurses, a very, very wonderful book for your pharmacology. It explains drugs, the indications for the drug, the contraindications, everything you need to know about the drug, the group the drug belongs to, and all that. It explains it. Another book I could recommend for you is Mustafa Pharmacology for Nurses. That one too is nice, although I do not have it, but it's nice because I've gone through the pages. It's a very nice book. Okay, then the last book I'm going to be sharing with you is for your reproductive health nursing. Even though you're not into midwifery, if you're in a school of in a nursing school and you're just in to get your RN, you will still have to encounter this book because you have to do your reproductive health nursing, study reproductive health nursing. Okay, so Miles textbook for midwives. Don't mind the midwives there. Even as a nurse, you need this book. I love this book. I fell in love with this book when I saw a senior colleague using it. Yeah, I saw her using it, and I'm like, "Hi, what's the name of this?" What actually drew me to the book was the diagrams and everything. I just love the coloring and everything. So it drew my attention to the book. I asked her. She told me that was my second year. By then, I didn't even know it was just for midwifery and all that. I just went ahead to get the book. Yeah, that was the story behind the book. And ever since, I just love the book. So you might consider getting it. Okay, so don't be overwhelmed if you're an intending nursing student, you want to study nursing in any nursing school. Don't be overwhelmed. Be like, am I going to read all these books, this one, that one? Don't be overwhelmed. By the time you come in into the um um nursing world, you will know how to tackle it. I'm just sharing it with you so that it will help guide you in case you intend getting some textbooks and you're confused because there are actually many textbooks that you can get. But in case you want to get your textbooks and you're confused on which one to go for, these are the ones that I've used. There are other ones in the market. You might consider getting these ones. They're the ones that I've used and they're very helpful. You might consider getting them and don't be overwhelmed. You can do this, baby. Okay, so I've come to the end of the video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Please do. Let's build the community together. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, so that you'll be among the first people to know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye. There are two books I forgot to mention. Probably because I don't have them here handy. I use I read it with my phone. It's a PDF. I have a PDF format, and I use my phone and my laptop to read them. So, and they are very essential books in nursing. Number one is Anatomy and Physiology. Rosanne Wilson Anatomy and Physiology is a very essential book, and you really, really need to get the book. If you are into nursing, you have to know your anatomy and physiology very well. And Rosanne Wilson actually um did justice to that. The next one is Brunat and Sudat. It's equally for your medical surgical nursing. Is equally a very essential book, medical surgical nursing. So I'll be leaving a link in my description where you can download any nursing book. I told you I have it in PDF, so I'm going to give you a link where you can download it and then use it for your studies. Yes, download any nursing book at all. If you can read it with your phone, if you can read it with your laptop, I'll give you the link in the description where you can download any nursing book. Thank you.